Hello everyone, I'm Barrett, the application specialist from VINNO. Today I'd like to make a demonstration of our 3D 4D function. Before the demonstration, I will explain to you all the parameters including pre-3D and 3D function. Pre-3D. Press the 4D on the control panel. System will enter into the pre-3D mode. In the pre-3D mode, we can find some parameters on the touch screen such as V-speckle, threshold, transparency, view, flip, and so on. First of all, I want to introduce you all of these parameters. V-speckle is the parameter to control the 2D image quality with 6 levels in pre-3D mode. If you like smoother image, you can increase the speckle value. If you like more pixel image, you can decrease the speckle value. Threshold controls the rendering image performance. It looks like the dynamic range in 3D image. The value range is from 0 to 225. We can adjust this parameter to reduce the noise in front of our rendering image and make rendering image more clear. Transparency is the parameter to control the rendering image performance in transparency. The value range is from 5 to 250. We can adjust this parameter to change the transparency of rendering image. 5 means maximum in transparency, 250 means minimum. Volume angle. We can set the different probe volume angle for 3D scanning. Quality. Set different image scanning quality with 5 levels. Category. We can select this button to choose the different application before scanning. For example, baby face, spine, or other user presets. Flip. We can adjust the rendering image display direction in one plane quickly. It includes 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degree. Render type. It has 2 modes, gray and gray invert. Normally, we use gray type in most of scanning. Render. We have 8 render modes. For baby face, we have surf texture, surf smooth, grad light, HQ surface, while for spine we have transparency max, X-ray, transparency minimum, light. Display format. We have 3 choices in this button: 1 image display type, 2 images display type, and 4 images display type. Image reference. We can choose different images to display this button. Drag the touchscreen to the left. It will show some other parameters in front of us. 3D map. We can change the render image color by this button. Gray map. It is the button to control the 2D image map. Rotation direction. We can switch the reference image 3-dimensional image coordinate axis by this button. View. It is the button to control different view direction on render image. The render ROI box includes 2 parts. The blue one is tissue acquirement box. The yellow one is rendering box. Sometimes when we start scanning, we need to adjust the ROI box position and size. We can move the trackball to move the ROI position. If want to change the ROI size, we need to select the ROI button first, then move trackball to change the ROI box size. We can touch the button Enter to activate the render box, yellow box. Touch the button Enter again. We can change the render box size by trackball. Start 3D. We can touch the Start 3D button on touchscreen or press 4D button directly. System will acquire the 3D data, then it will show a rendering image on the main monitor screen. We can choose flip angle to change the rendering image view direction in one plane. Adjust the threshold to reduce some noise in front of baby face. We can adjust the smooth performance of rendering image by the smooth button. The depth button can control image size and rendering cut line position. We can turn the depth button to change the image size. If you want to cut some tissue or noise in front of the baby face, please press the depth button first, then rotate this button. Display format. We have 3 choices in this button: 1 image display type, 2 images display type, and 4 images display type. Image reference. We can choose different images to display this button. Drag the touch screen to the left. It will show some other parameters in front of us. Rotation is the button used to control the coordination axis. We can select X, Y, or Z axis firstly and rotate it. Also in our system, we have 3 quick buttons to control X, Y, or Z axis separately. M is X axis, PW is Y axis, CF is Z axis. Thanks.